how to add discount code to Shopify. So simply go to discounts, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on create a discount, and then you're gonna have to simply choose the type of discount that you want to create, and then you're gonna have to name it. So you're gonna have to enter the discount code. Basically, this will be used at the checkout. So let's see, 25% off, and then you're gonna have to choose the discount value, so it can be a percentage or fixed amount. So I'm gonna give 25%, and here you can select specific collections or specific products if you want, and then here you can set up minimum purchase requirements, custom eligibility, and other settings. So simply click on save discount, and basically that's all you have to do. So let me pick a product, and basically that's all you have to do. So thanks for watching.